Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about chi-square test. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we have this table in here and we have the proportions. We want to find the chi-square test in here. So in this situation, we need to find the total people in here. So I will use about sum. And that is the first step. Now we have the proportion. So in this one, we can calculate about expectation. So to find about the expectation in here, we need to use about the sum. We multiply by the proportion in here. And you got this value like this. I will put about the dollar sign here. And this is the answer for expectation. Now we want to calculate about the chi-square test. We need to find the value of this one. So we need to use about the observation. That's about 48. We minus about the expectation in here to the power of 2 over the expectation in here. And now we put this one like this. And now we can find the sum. That is about this one in here. And now we just round two decimal places. And that is about 24.41. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.